Good morning, YouTube. This is 2006, 2007, and I think this might apply to some other year lower than that and higher than that because Chevy, they keep their things pretty simple and almost the same all their car. This will be the 1500 Silverado, and it should apply to the GMC Sierra 1500, and also the Tahoe and Yukon, and should be the same, but don't get me on that. So they could be a little bit different too. So, and this had a bearing problem. It's so bad that you can feel it like this, and the bearing is almost came off, and you can hear that whining noise. And I don't know how they driving this for, but I know that this is a heavy truck. They loaded a lot of stuff, so that's why it broke the bearing off. So I'm going to show you simple way to do this bearing right here. So put your key to the ignition, and so you can turn this right here on the side. Alright, so when you turn the side like that, you will have room in the back here. So there's a clapper bolt holding down the back here, and this two bolt is 18. So take this out and hang this somewhere that out of your way. So just hang it like that. In the front here you have a star. This is a T27, and removing that, so take this out from this side here. Take the ABS sensor right here, and this is the, so this is number 5. It have an ABS lights on, so it could be the bearing is bad, so it could be damaged the sensor as well. I'm not sure. Slowly with the screwdriver pry this out. You can use a flat screwdriver. Spray a little bit W40. Okay, you can see right there, chewed up the ABS sensor already, so that's bad. Okay, in the back here you have 15 socket. Okay, 3 of this 15 socket holding it. Okay, this one right here. So this one right here, I'm going to use a ratchet. This will be, because they have that bolt right there on the way. Okay, so when you lose it, pretty big size for a small socket. Okay, all done. So just yank around and come off. Pretty simple on that. Kind of dirty. Make sure sand a little bit on this rasp right here. That's not brand new, but it should be good enough. So I will replace the ABS sensor as well, because that's not good. And will cause ABS light. Okay, there's a clip. Just pry this out. It don't really matter because you're gonna buy new ones. They're gonna come all this anyway. Even though you break it, it's okay. This was useless. There. Now sensor come off. I think they come with the ABS sensor already. Yep, it is included with the ABS sensor. That's new, that's old. It's matching. Okay, so now time to put it back in there. Okay, in case you don't remember where this one go, this will be going forward like that. Okay, and then put your hub into. And the other way, you can tell that if you put it on the wrong way, then your caliper cannot fit in because that will blocking. Okay, simple way, but sometimes you may forgot. Now use your 15 socket or ratchet to do it. Tighten it up. Make sure it's pretty tight. Okay, pretty big bolt, so if you don't really over tight on it, it shouldn't break that. Okay, and I think that's tight already. Check to make sure. Okay, that's it. And then put your rotor, and then you brake caliper in, and then you're done. Simple, easy. You can fix like this bearing at the side of the road if you have a problem. Okay, it's not hard like other vehicles that you have to press it, the bearings in. That is pain in the butt. Alright, thank you for watching. Don't pay this another man to do a simple job like this. Okay, bye bye now. Subscribe.